The reason I decided to do a joint degree was because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. So I was really unsure, and at the time I was doing my A-levels. So I did accounting and law because it opened me up to a variety of skills and kept my options open, really.
Yeah, so I chose to do a joint degree in accounting and law because I suppose the whole way throughout A-level I had an interest in both of those areas, and I would have had a keen interest in following those areas outside of school. So with not much placement or work experience at that stage, I didn't really know what one I wanted to nail down. So I suppose keeping their options open with the both of them, having that balanced degree, just gave me the best of both worlds really, going forward, and let me to find my feet throughout the 4 years.
What we do a year is we do 3 modules of accounting and 3 modules of law every year. So it's kind of very balanced and you're getting 3 of each. So we cover all the compulsory modules of each mainly. So this year I'm doing personal and business finance, I'm doing land law, I'm also doing commercial and business law. And then last semester I did management accounting, I did tax, and I also did property law. So it's just a well-rounded of all the compulsory law modules and the compulsory accounting modules, so that you have a qualified law degree and you also have a qualified accounting degree as well.
The day-to-day teaching on the course would be a mix of lectures and sort of tutorial seminar groups. So the lectures would be anything from up to maybe 100 people in the class, just sort of teaching the course content, and then we would have more condensed tutorial seminar groups of maybe 15 to 30 people, just for that more focused learning and more opportunities to ask sort of any problems or issues you're having with the material from each week. But the thing I like the most about the accounting and law is you're in quite a small class already in comparison to other degrees, so you would have that sort of a niche within our course that you know everyone in your class, whereas some other degrees, you might only know a handful of people.
In terms of the support available, there's our course director that you can always email if you have any questions about the course itself. When it's specific to a module, you just email or talk to one of your lecturers or your seminar head, and they're usually very helpful, and they always reply to your emails, and they're always eager to help. So that's really good.
The support day to day is very good on the course, whether it be your tutors or your course directing team, and they're always there with a hands-on approach to any queries that you may have. The lecturing staff as well, they're only ever, if you have any, whether it be feedback on your marks or whether it be day-to-day teaching, they can never go far enough for you. They're always there for you.
So I am doing a placement year this year, and I'm going away to Sheffield next year to do placement there. There's a lot of placements here in Belfast as well. A lot of people are doing placements here, but I actually wanted to go away and I wanted to go to New City, so that's why I'm doing it there. But yeah, they do really help you out with that, like your course director and also the careers department. They help you do interviews and they help you with your CV. So that's really helpful, and I've got placement now. I definitely recommend the course, especially if you're not exactly sure what you want to do, or if you are as well, if you want to go into commercial law or something like that. It's a really good course, and it gives you a lot of the modules that you'll need and a lot of the skills you'll need, and you'll get a mix of both things, and it's actually really fun as well.